this, another claw. So my drawing is over. Now you have to give feather. Like this. First this portion, then bird's wing. Okay, like this you have to give bird's wing. Now shade it. Okay, like this you have to shade. Now my drawing is over. I am not expert of drawing, so you can draw more nice than me if you try. Okay, so now you have to write first wings. So this portion is called wing, no? So you have to write W-I-N-G, wing. Then beak. So this is called beak. Now breast. This portion is called B-R-E-A-S-T, breast. Then tail. This portion is called T-A-I-L, tail. And lastly claw. So this part is called C-L-A-W, claw. Here you can write drawing of a bird. So try to draw it at your home with the help of your parents or by yourself. Okay, again and again if you try, then you will make more better than me.